Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we're taking new perspective Excel 2019 modules 3 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. I will guide you through this project step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment help, your exam help, your quiz help, or you want to read for a complete course. You can contact through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen and given the first slide of this video. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, and many more courses. I will provide you professional work, no plagiarism, and A plus grade. Let's start our project to solve it step by step. Title of project is New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 3 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C, and you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay. Here is getting started. Open the file name XP19 available from the download from SAM website. You can download this file from SAM website. I have also downloaded this file from SAM website, and then you can save the file np XP19 C33 see first last name 2XLS by changing the 1 to 2, and then we will save this file and then we will change 1 to from 2. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Click on file, click on save as, and then click on desktop, or you can save where you want to save it and then remove one and then tap 2 and then save it. This file will save as 2. Okay, this is done now. Now with the file np xp19 ct3 first last name to XLS still open, ensure that your first and last name is displayed in cell B6 of documentation sheet. If cell B6 does not display your name, delete the file and download a new copy from some website. It's mean basically your file name will be displayed on the cell B6. If your name will be not displayed, and you can delete this file and you can download a new copy from some website. Okay, you can see this, it will be display name. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on next project steps. This is done. Okay, Danilo Lavlin is an entrepreneur planning to manufacture and market is innovative handle controller for virtual reality gaming. Danilo is building a business plan and restricts investors and plans logistics for the launch of new company Scrap J Peripherals and want to use Excel of summarized data and create projections. Switch to the salary projection worksheet. The table for years sales projection should show years over years growth projection ranging from 5% at the low and 35% at the high end from 2021 through 2025. Expand the percentage horizontally up to 35%. You can read this careful instruction and then we will apply on Excel workbook. Danilo Lavlin is an entrepreneur planning to manufacture and market. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on sale projection. Then you can select this 5% to 10%. Okay, you can fill this. Okay, 2020 through 2025, 2020 through 2025. Extend the percentage horizontally up to 35%. This is done now. I have done first step. Now moving on to step number 2. Step number 2 is that extend the list of years down to 2025. I have also this list Also this done step, extend the list year 2021 to 2025. You can scroll down and this it will be done. Okay, this step is also done. Now step number 3, autofill the formatting from A7 to H8 through the cell H11 to format the rest of the table. Okay, basically in this step we will have to autofill the formatting from A7 to H8 through the cell H11 to the format the rest of the table. Step number 4 is that calculate the 5% projection in 22 using a formula that multiplies 2021 value by percentage and then adds 2021 value to result. Be sure that the formula always references the percentage rows. Copy the formula down the field remaining years and then across the field to remaining percentage. Basically in this step we will have to find the calculate projection and enter a formula that multiplies 2021 values by percentage and then adds 2022 value to the result. Okay, enter formula and cell B8 is equal to and then to B7 multiplying by B6, B7 multiplied by B6 into and then subtract from and add B7 plus B7 and then press enter. It will be show value 2022. Okay, this is done now. B8 through BH8. Okay, this is done now. You can see this. Then B8 through B11. Then click on format autofill with the column. Select column B and then click on format and autofill with the column. Sorry, this is scroll down. The formula B8 through B is equal to, then question 9 is equal to, enter formula is that B7 multiplying by enter a function is equal to B8 into B8 multiplying by B6 into plus P8, then press enter and it will be shown value 2023 value 11025 and scroll down this. Okay, B9 through H9, B9 through H9. This is done now. You can see this is good. You can scroll down, copy through the formula in all columns. Okay, for 2024 is equal to B9 into B9 multiplying by B8 B6 into plus B9. Okay, then press enter, it will be show value of 2024 and then copy the B10 to H10. Copy through B10 to H10. B 10 through I10, 0 decimal places, and then enter is equal to into, sorry, 1 second, into B10 multiplying by B6 plus B10, then press enter. It will be shown value of 2025, and then copy through B10 to I10, and then copy through B11 to H11. Okay, this is done, and 0 decimal places. You can match this table. This is good. Now moving on, next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is that switch to the cost estimates worksheet which shows the cost per unit for manufacturing and then shopping among various vendors. Danielo wants extra data to help make vendor and shipper recommendations. Use a function to calculate the average manufacturing cost per unit in the appropriate cell. Use a similar function to calculate the average shipping cost per unit. Okay, you switch to the cost estimate worksheet. Moving on, Excel workbook, click on cost estimated worksheet. Okay, then we will enter a function which shows that cost per unit for manufacturing and then shipping among various. Okay, use a function to calculate the average manufacturing cost per unit in the appropriate cell. Enter a function is here is equal to, press is equal to, and then enter average function, average into A5 to A7, and then press enter. It will be show average of manufacturing cost per unit, and then we will find maximum cost per unit is here. Okay, average is here, average of shipping cost per unit and manufacturing cost per unit. Shipping cost per unit is that average, enter function, and then D5 to D7, then press enter. It will be show average of shipping cost per unit. First I have find a manufacturing cost per unit average, and then second I have find it shipping cost per unit average. Okay, this is done now. You can see this. I have find both average of manufacturing cost per unit and shipping cost per unit. Now moving on question number 6. For question number 6, use a function to calculate the maximum manufacturing cost per unit to appropriate cell. Use a similar function to calculate the maximum shipping cost per unit. Okay, basically in this question we will have to find maximum manufacturing cost per unit in the appropriate cell. Use a similar function to calculate the maximum shipping cost per unit. Okay, moving on, Excel workbook, and then we will enter a max function, and then we will enter this range is equal to, first we enter is equal to, and then max function into A5 to A7, and then press enter. It will be find maximum cost manufacturing cost per unit. You can see this maximum manufacturing cost per unit. Okay, use a similar function to calculate the maximum shipping cost per unit is equal to, and then enter function max function into D5 to D7, range is D5 to D7, and then press enter. It will be find maximum shipping cost per unit. This is done now. Now moving on, question number 7. Question number 7 is that use a function to calculate the minimum manufacturing cost per unit. The appropriate cell use a similar function to calculate this minimum shipping cost per unit. Okay, moving on, Excel workbook. Okay, then enter is equal to first, and then enter min function, minimum function, and then is equal to enter this range A5 to A7, then press enter. It will be find minimum manufacturing cost per unit here. Okay, then is equal to, enter is equal to, and then enter minimum function into D5 to D7, and it will be show minimum shipping cost per unit. You can see this. I have done half project. For remaining question or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. I will provide you professional work, no plagiarism, A+ grade in your all courses, all exams, all assignments, and all quizzes. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.